First up, chocolate strawberry roses. Start by melting dark chocolate, then spoon it into rose molds, filling each one about halfway. Insert a strawberry on a stick into the center, pressing gently so the chocolate forms around it. Chill until fully set before enjoying. And if you'd prefer a chocolate-free option, you can also make these classic strawberry roses. Starting with a strawberry on a stick, gently cut slices and fan them outward as you go to create the rose shape, then chill until ready to serve. Next up, pizza love letters. Start by cutting your tortillas into squares, then spoon pizza sauce and shredded mozzarella into the center of each one. Fold the tortillas into an envelope shape, leaving one side open, and top with a heart cut from salami. Optionally brush with egg wash, then bake until golden and crisp. Now for an easy dessert, strawberry puff pastry hearts. Starting with puff pastry rounds, cut a small heart out of half of them. Add a spoonful of jam to the center of the solid rounds, top with the cutout pieces, then gently crimp the edges with a fork to seal. Optionally brush with egg wash, and bake until puffed and golden. And that's it! 3 easy Valentine's Day inspired recipes that feel festive while keeping things balanced. Let us know in the comments which one you're trying, and don't forget to follow Noom.